it is, the Arrows Hobby Hawk on 4S, on 4S, on 4S.
Stand by for action. Anything can happen in the next half hour.
Hi everyone, welcome to my channel, hope you're safe and well. Today is Sunday the 8th of May, it's turning out to be a real nice day. It's a bit dodgy this morning. The time is now 10:15. I've got the Hawk from Arrows Hobby, 50mm EDF. About a week ago I flew this on 4S for the first time. Since its maiden, which was on the 16th of October 2021, I've only ever flown it on 3S. Except for the week just gone, and I flew it on a 4S. The whole idea came from a discussion I had with Brian Forward. His channel link is in the description of this video. We chat regularly on WhatsApp, video calls. During a conversation last Friday, we were talking about using 4S and 3S in these planes. We got talking about how do we know that we're not going to cause a problem or one day it'll just go pop. Between us, we came up with this cunning plan to make this video. How close am I to actually going over that 30 amps? So I've got the Hawk. I've got my multi-function DC watt meter, which also measures amps. We're going to run it up first of all to full power, take a reading on a 3S, let it all cool down. Then we're going to run it up again on full power on a 4S. They're both 2200s, they're both nanotechs, they're both in storage charge, and we'll see what happens. Right, here we go then. This camera is recording what's showing on the meter. The bigger camera is recording the whole picture. Throttle cut is on, so I'm going to take that off now. I might blow some of the background away, sorry about that.
Throttle cut off.
Okay, so that peaked at 26 amps. It's got a 30 amp speed controller in it. No worries at all on a 3S. It's well within parameters. Safety margin parameters as well, so that's good. Right, we're going to let that cool down for a while, and then we're going to put a 4S on it. Still a 2200 milliamp, same brand, and see what the amps come up on full throttle. And for those of you who are curious, before it cools down, let's take a look at half throttle. About 8 amps at the most, and then it's from half throttle to full throttle that it really piles on the amps. But it's definitely 26 amps is the highest it's drawing. It's a 30 amp speed controller, we should be good. Well, we are good. We'll let it cool now and we'll come back at 10 minutes time and try the 4S.
A little later.
Right, we're back and it's been about 10 minutes. It's probably been a bit longer, to be honest with you. We turn that on. I've got a 2200 4S sitting here now. Plug that in. This camera on. Right, so I've got this recording now and it's showing no amps and no watts. 15.2 volts because it was in storage mode and it's been used a bit. I'm going to open it up to half throttle, then I'm going to open it up to full throttle. If it exceeds 30 amps, which the speed controller is set for, I'm going to power off straight away. Let's see what happens. Right, you can see there straight away, full power, it goes up to 38, 39 amps, which is 9 amps above the specification of the speed controller. I'm not happy with that. I will definitely be replacing the speed controller, and I don't even think I'll put a 40 amp in. I think I'll go for a 45 amp speed controller, and I'll have to buy 3 of those. Oh dear. Let's do it once more, but I'll be quite quick because I'm uncomfortable with running it like this. Yeah, so it jumps up to 38, 39. It's probably okay for a peak, you know, those few seconds that I was doing it. But if you're going to use a 4S, you want to be able to pile the power on and keep it on. And you're not going to be able to do that safely with this. Good lesson. I will try it on the others, but I expect the result will be exactly the same. So I hope this was useful. Interesting information, I think. Do with it what you will. I will certainly be buying a bigger speed controller because I'm going to keep using 4S on these planes. Thanks for watching. Stay safe, stay well. Look forward to you joining me on another video. Cheers.